Today we're doing the Bunny K 5K. Wait, no, that's not
Bunny Rock.
Today we're doing the Bunny Rock 5K!
Are we though?
Are we though?
It's pretty wet out there.
Why do we pick out our thumbs?
So there's like a hurricane going on in Chicago right now. And we're gonna do a 5K.
Gale force winds!
If Gale's here, we're not.
The animals are having flashback to the days of Noah. They're like, oh no.
Oh God, it's happening.
It's a flood!
So we decided to do this 5K a few months ago. And we thought it would be a fun idea, you know, 2 days after we get home from Japan. Well, actually, Caleb is not doing this with us. It's just the girls of the family. And the day of the 5K race gets here, and it's this freak rainstorm. Ma'am, how are you feeling?
I feel great! I feel wonderful! But it hasn't started yet!
It starts in like 5 minutes. We've been waiting in my uncle's car.
Gale force winds.
Yeah, there's gale force winds out here. It's pretty cold.
It's a great day to become active.
Yeah, so this Bunny Rock 5K, it's not only a race, but they have like a petting zoo and like this Easter egg hunt. But they have to put all the animals away because it's raining. We don't actually have to run the race to get our medal. I got my medal. I'm a 5K finisher.
Stretch. High knees. High knees. High knees. Great day to become active.
Check out this runner.
Yeah.
She hasn't even finished yet. She's already got her medal.
Yeah.
She's killing it.
Yeah. Yes. It is finished!
After we finish walking 3 miles,
Mile 1 you get a free medal.
we are probably gonna go back to the apartment and then we're gonna get some pizza. Oh yeah. We're gonna have a little party at Luminati's. At first I thought it was gonna be absolutely miserable. I thought that the rain was gonna be unbearable, but it actually stopped raining. And it's not too bad. It feels warmer now that we've been walking and running a little bit. We're coming up on mile 2. Feels good. Woohoo! So this is like the second day that I've been in America. Of course, Sophie has a headache. I actually slept until 7 this morning.
Wow.
And I probably could have slept even longer. And I was able to stay awake until 11 last night. So I think my jet lag is gonna be not as bad this time, which is good. I'm really glad that we decided to stick with this and do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Although we did get our medals, so
We did get our medals.
we have those.
You have to earn
We
it.
have
You
them.
gotta
That's
earn
true. We gotta earn our medals. But if we decide to give up, at least we have the medals.
At least we get it.
Do this. No they be there. And don't stop that. Be a man. Stink as a coursing river.
Be a man.
But to think of a great typhoon.
Be a man.
All the strength of a coursing river. Mysterious as the dark side of the moon. Be a man. We've arrived. And with this beautiful shot of pizza, we are ending today's vlog. I'm sorry that it was a little bit disjointed, but just with the rain and then not being used to vlogging around my family, it kind of threw me off a little bit. But it's definitely something that I want to get more comfortable doing, just because we're gonna start daily vlogging in the next few months. The family members that you saw at the 5K race, that was my Aunt Mariella and my two cousins, Jamie and Riley, and of course my sister and my mom. And then at the pizza place, we had most of my extended family there, all of my mom's siblings, which was really fun, and the pizza was amazing. It was just as good as we remembered it. I don't know if you follow me on Twitter, you know that I love pizza, and I've been dreaming of that day for a long time. Anyways, we are no longer in Chicago. We are in my parents' house in upstate New York, but I realized when I was editing the footage of the 5K and of the pizza that I never actually edited this vlog. But we will be giving you a tour of where we're staying and showing you more like day-to-day life stuff in the next few vlogs. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell notification, because we still put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and we'll see you next time.